Well, somehow we've managed to make it to the end of the week. It's Friday, it's beer o'clock. Yeah, that's all we need to say. Bit of Corona, bit of Fast and the Furious. Yeah, nice. Well, everyone have a good weekend and drink responsibly. My missus got a Christmas do tomorrow night, so I'm not going to be drinking tomorrow. But hopefully we get some car done stuff. I'm planning in my head to go over and do a bit of the pickup. But as I did say, all week I've been promising to clean up. So we're going to have a bit of a tidy up. I don't think it's going to be anywhere near anyone's proper standards, but we're just trying to get rid of some of these cardboard boxes, put things away. Ready to start fresh for the weekend. And yeah, should be good. But first I've got to do is just go swap the battery over in the Zafira, because that's flat now. I'm ready to do the starter motor tomorrow as well, which I think is a combination of flat battery and starter motor, but the starter motor needed doing anyway. So we'll go do that, then we'll come back and tidy up. That door expands in the winter, must be moisture, and then it don't shut. Stupid door. Okay, first piece of mess. I don't know whether I should set my standards too high or not, or put my expectations too far ahead of me that I'm going to clean up loads. But yeah, let's see if we can get a bit of a path through. Toolbox needs a complete clean at some point, but that's not going to happen today. Yeah, I'll put some gloves on just to warm my hands up a bit. Replaced the battery, hoping that might have just tweaked the starter into life, and it didn't. So first job, Saturday morning, on the ground, in the street, changing the starter motor on a Vauxhall Zafira, which I mostly won't video for you. Ain't much to see, especially if you're trying to do it on the ground. Anyway, let's crack on. Now, if any of you think I'm just taking all this stuff out the back and hiding it, and you think that's cleaning up, or you think I think that's cleaning up, you're mistaken. I am not just taking it outside and hiding it. I am carefully putting it away in certain order so it can be found again in the future. Don't need that piece of metal. Yeah, so I don't think I'm not doing this properly. I found a garage floor. Oh, and some rusty metal. You can see where my garage leaks right over the plug socket, which is handy. So, yeah. Again, I'm not just moving stuff around. There's an order to this. It's not just as simple as just shoving stuff into another room. Yeah. Look. Room to dance, if we needed to. Hope this is the most exciting video you can watch on YouTube tonight. Not sick of flex tube is seems to the tube coated with the bag. Yeah. Let's see what we can do. We've got a big box up here. Big ABS Motorsport box. You want it back, Tony? Tony, you want it back? No. I expect he would though. I just got to post it back to him. Anyway, let's get that off the roof. Oh, I've got another bag of rubbish over there, so definitely think we're doing a tip run tomorrow. Once we get the Zafira sorted and its starter motor. I end up dropping more stuff on the floor than I do cleaning up sometimes. P.S. Cheers comment for the Chris comment about trying to clean it up. So yeah, we'll give it a clean up first, see how it goes. They're easy enough to pop back out. If the cleaning up doesn't go very well. So we'll repair the holes. I've bought some cheap adhesive glue, because that's my middle name. And we'll have a tidy of that over the weekend. Not quite sure if I'm making a difference, but I think I am. You may again think I have been throwing everything to that corner in the back there. Well, you'll be right, because the Sophia's parked miles away at the moment and I can't be bothered to load the back of the car up yet. We're going to do the starter motor in the morning, load it all up, and we get down the old tip at some point. Get rid of, I've got about 3 bags of rubbish now all stacked in here. So yeah, it's not perfectly clean yet, but we're getting there. Try and tidy my makeshift bench a little bit. And yeah, we're getting there. So we've got lots to do over the weekend. As I said, Mrs. is out for Christmas do, so I don't know whether to do some stuff on the Mini in here in the evening, or I need to pop over and do the pickup as well, because I really want to spend some time on that at least to try and get it on a bed. I've got all the stuff now to actually make the jig and get the thing all bolted and solid up without, you know, I've got bits everywhere now. We've got low bed floors. It's all just getting a mess over there, so we need to get it in some sort of order. So yeah. So what do you guys want to see Monday? Do you want to see me playing about with the headlining? Do you want me to see doing a wiring loom? Do you want to see a bit of pickup time? I'll let you choose. I'll pop a little vote up in the community section later. Tell me what you want for a Monday video, and I shall try and do my best. I can't guarantee anything in life, because life is like that. Oh, I did find a tissue there when I was cleaning up, so that's good. I'm blowing my nose now. Well, it might not look any better, but at least I'm able to walk a little bit, remove the old welder in a bit. We haven't really got much more to do, I don't think, on the welding. Yeah, you can see how leaky my gouge is down that wall. I don't know what builders recommend. I guess it's going to be just either a whole new roof or at least try and reseal. I don't know how it's sealed against the old side of the house. Bit of flashing or something, I don't know. Let me know what you think, you guys. I'll definitely get a few drips in the middle as well, so in reality the whole roof needs doing at some point, but I definitely have an issue with down the side of the walls, that's for sure. I have an issue with the front as well, to be honest, even though the water just pours in, sort of just like, it just floods in nearly because it's quite flat. Anyway, what can you do? At least I'm quite grateful I've actually got a garage, which a lot of people don't, so I'm not gonna moan, So anyway, I think you guys I've wasted enough time of your time this week watching my stupid videos of not much this week. So I've got a bit of steak for tea in the reduced aisle from Tesco's. Hopefully the wife will enjoy that. And yeah, let me know what you want to do on Monday for the videos. Gives me a choice over the weekend, gives me some direction. So I'll put a few options up, or just comment below anyway. But check out the old community tab if you haven't already. I'll post a few votes in there sometimes, bit of a laugh, just get a few people chatting. Nice to get a bit of feedback. I prefer nice feedback, but obviously any feedback is appreciated. Anyway, I'm feeling pretty much better, so yeah. Anyway, cheers everyone, have a good evening, and I'll see you Monday, definitely. Don't be late, 7 o'clock.